Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how to export a point cloud source in PCD format. It is important to note that the functionality to export a cloud source in PCD format is currently available via a Glyph script. So I have in front of you two things. On the left, a Glyph script that we're going to use to actually export this PCD file, and on the right side, I have a new clean instance of Fidelity Pointwise. Before we actually look at the script, let's go to the right side and see what this script does. I'm going to go to script and execute the script that we have on the left. And we can see very quickly what happened. So the script actually created that point cloud that I see right there. That is a source. And it also exported that data in PCD format. That's what we can actually see over here. So that is what the script actually did. Now let's go to the left side, to the actual script, and see what is going on. If I look at the main section of the script, this line right here is going to invoke the create point cloud procedure that is defined on the top section of the script. This particular simple procedure is going to generate the source cloud that you see in there. In particular, that is going to be a Glyph object of type pw: sourcePointCloud. That information is going to be stored in the cloud variable that we have right there. The main objective of this video is to show you how you can actually export that information into a PCD file, which is what is happening in that particular line highlighted right there. On the pw: sourcePointCloud object that we have in there, I'm calling the writePcdFile, and I am passing as an argument the path to the file, and I'm adding the PCD extension to it. And that is how the PCD file gets exported. In order to see that we're actually exporting the data correctly, I'm going to clean my instance on Pointwise on the right, and I'm going to re-import that file that was created, point cloud PCD. We're going to go ahead and bring that in, and we can see that that is what we have in there again. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.